Hello and welcome. I am super excited about today's video because I am going to be sharing with you all some drink that has become one of my favorites. I think this drink is beginning to compete with some of the other healthy beverages that I am already in love with, but let's see how it goes. I will, as much as possible, try to not be preferential, but hey, this drink is amazing, and it is called the golden milk or the turmeric milk. Now, this milk originated from India and it is specially prepared with spices and plant-based milk. It is so good a drink for boosting your immunity. I am for anything that boosts immunity. Once your immunity is high, it is then fortified to fight all kinds of bacteria and infection. So I love this drink for that major reason. And the reason why this is able to do that is because the spices have a lot of anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that support your immune system. Another benefit of the golden milk is it improves your mood and it also prevents cell damage. So without further ado, let's go into my kitchen and I will show you the ingredients and how it is prepared. So welcome to my kitchen. So here are the ingredients. We have our spices, we have our black pepper, 1 teaspoon. We have our cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. We have our turmeric, 1 teaspoon. And then we have our ginger. This is 1 tablespoon. I love ginger a lot. If you are not a fan of ginger, you can just make it 1 teaspoon, but this is 1 tablespoon and it is chopped. You can grate it if you choose. Then I have my cloves. I love cloves. I'm just going to put like 3 seeds. Then I have my coconut oil. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon. And then I have my unsweetened almond milk. Let's get our golden milk started. So I'm going to measure 2 cups of this. That's 1. And that is 2. So I will keep this aside. And it's very simple and basic. You just throw in your ingredients. I'm going to reduce the heat here a bit, okay? I'm going to put in my black pepper. The black pepper because it works very well with turmeric. I throw in my turmeric, right? Yeah. And then my cinnamon, so I'll throw in that in. And my ginger, okay. And my coconut oil, I'll put 1 teaspoon. There. That's cloves. I put like 3 in there. That is how it looks. Okay, so I am basically going to cover it and allow it to boil. Okay, so now that this has been brought to boil, I'm going to reduce the heat. So bright. It's so bright. Okay, so I'm going to strain this now. Yeah. Okay, so this is the end product. And if you want a bit of sweetness, you can put a teaspoon of honey. Oh, and then you give it a quick stir. Oh my goodness, can you see that? Golden milk is ready. So that's it. To take you a maximum of 15 minutes to make this. It's so enriching. Mind you, there is no golden milk or turmeric milk without turmeric. The ingredients are so major. What you could choose to leave out is the cloves, because I love me some cloves. So go take out the time and make yourself golden milk, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Peace and angels.